Hi, I'm Roger Connor, Landscape Superintendent for Duke University. I manage the trees here at the academic part of the Duke University campus. The majority of the older trees are going to be in the native woodlands that we have, and we have 1,300 acres total on campus, and of those we manage probably between 550 and 600 acres. I would say some of our older trees will be the magnolias, oaks. We have lots of oaks. We have a fair amount of pines here on campus. The white oak here next to Carr Gym lot in the native forest of Cameron has been identified as one of the oldest trees on campus. This one has been identified at approximately 350 years. So even though it's in the wooded area, we are managing this tree as we would any tree that's in the landscapes. Ideally, leaving them alone is the best thing we can do for them. Nature takes care of itself. Some of the trees that were originally planted are getting harder and harder to find because we found better varieties, but we're still doing the investigation to try to find them so that we can keep that diversity on campus since they were planted originally. We're currently on West Campus Quad. 15 years ago, the quad looked a lot different than it does now. We have many older willow oaks on campus, and they have created issues within the grounds. We try to be proactive with our maintenance of these trees and watching them all the time. We can never replace the amount of canopy or the amount of tree that we lose, but we can replace the quality of the trees that we put back in. Woodlands here are part of Duke. I mean, Duke has been known as a campus in a forest, and we wouldn't be that without our trees that we have here.